Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies for beginners. And today, I'm going to give you an update on Defi Kingdoms. And a lot of people have been asking me, is Defi Kingdoms dead? You know, I'm low-key a Defi Kingdom maxi, but I'm still an investor at heart, and I'll let you know if it's dead or not. So we're going to get into that today, man. We're going to talk about price. We're going to talk about some of the upcoming things that they're doing. And we're just going to give a full layout on DeFi Kingdom. So we're going to get into that. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm back and at it. I'm trying to drop content every single day, man. I'm trying to drop some good content. So be on the lookout for all new types of content. But also, I got different shorts. I got different uploads just showing you how you can make money in the crypto space, how you can get in on the ground floor of some of the best NFT projects in the crypto space, and much, much more. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also follow me on Twitter, Tro_crypto. This is where you can get directly in contact with me if you had any type of questions or you just wanted some type of dialogue. This is the place to do so. So enough of the small talk. Let's get into it. DeFi Kingdoms, Jewel, what's up, man? So currently right now, I'm on Deck Screener, just viewing the charts, just looking at Jewel, and we can see this massive drop. Just went crazy, man. Just went crazy this past month. So we see on April the 5th, we were right at, $9.98. And now we're all the way down to 73 cents, man. And a lot of people been like, man, I bought the top. It's tanking. Tro, what's going on? What's going on with Jewel? Well, we already know it was a lot of things happening in the DeFi Kingdom space. We know about the Frisky Fox situation. If you don't know, I don't want to really explain because it was about a month ago. They was doing the process. I was moving. So it was just a lot of drama going on. But in my opinion, it was just a lot of FUD, man, especially in the bear market. When you get FUD plus bear market, these are the results that you will see, man. You see this crazy drop off. So we already know in January, it was a big sell off. We went down, $6 to $3. Then we went back up to that 10. So a lot of people, saw it coming right there in March. But like I said, we've been in a low key bear market. And that is when, pretty much once it get back to the $11 is when, we see it start coming back down. And then it goes down to $5. And then that's when the FUD just comes in and the bear market results come in. Then we all the way down to 73 cents at the price right now. So a lot of people been asking me, is DeFi Kingdom still a good buy? Would I recommend buying it? And I got to say, in my personal opinion, and this is not financial advice, this is just my personal take on it. I got to say right now, this is the perfect price to get in DeFi Kingdoms. And I know you like, man, this man crazy. He just a maxi. He don't care about it. He just want to spend money and, lose his money. But no, I truly believe DeFi Kingdoms won't go to zero. I don't think DeFi Kingdoms will go to zero. I believe the team is in it for the long run. Of course, like I said, FUD mixed with just bear market results, we're going to see these low prices and a lot of stuff tank. DeFi Kingdoms isn't the only crypto that absolutely tank. We've seen Luna tank. We've seen a lot of projects around just going crazy and just dipping to really low price entries. But in my personal opinion, that is the perfect time to buy. And I'm not just saying this based on speculation. I want to say this just because of the things that the team is doing, and they're still building. People who come out on top are the teams that build during the bear market. And we already know DeFi Kingdoms drop a weekly AMA, ask me anything. And pretty much I want to just go over a couple of things in that AMA. I'm not going to go over the entire AMA. If you want to read it, you can go to the medium.com. Samish Punch is the person who creates these write-ups of the AMAs. But like I said, I don't want to read the entire thing, man. I just want to read some of the cool points that I seen, some of the major points that I seen, and some things that I believe the community and everybody has been waiting for. So we have some things underway we are full steam on DFK Duel. It's pretty far along. It's going to have matchmaking functionality built into it, which is tricky to do on the blockchain, but our approach is very cool. It will auto balance and try to match you with others of equal skill, then have rewards that will be really fun. I'm excited to start to Duel. Also, pets is a big one, and we are getting close to that. Our team is full steam ahead on those two initiatives, and you'll see those in the short term. That's mostly it from the build side, and this is for the growth side. I'll turn it to them. So major key, man. DFK Duel is coming fast, full steam, and pets is coming. So those are two major things that people been looking out for. So with the DFK Duel, that actually gives us some type of gaming portion on DeFi Kingdoms, because right now, we got professions, which is a click to play, and then we got where you can make potions and be in the gardens, but we didn't have a truly DFK Duel or something that people originally wanted for the project, and that's major just because now that will bring, in my personal opinion, more people to the chain, just because now the game has dropped. A lot of people used to always complain about we just playing for professions. We got to wait all day to, collect these little rewards that we're getting with these professions. Well, now with DFK Duel, that will give people a chance to play something and also earn rewards and actually use those heroes. And me personally, I believe when it drops, that will drive a demand for heroes, just because now people will actually have an opportunity to play the game. And then with pets too, something that also caught my eye was because they're gonna make pets a big thing. And Dreamer, one of the financial guys on the team, also mentioned in his post, I'm not gonna read the entire thing, but one thing I did want to read was just what's the growth side looking like. So one thing I want to show was DFK chain. We are still waiting for price oracles and looking at options there. Some AAA games have reached out to work with us in a consultant capacity, or even considering building on DFK chain as they consider Web3. That's an interesting opportunity we will pursue as they come up. Data analysis that are looking to partner with us is another thing. Maybe you go to the marketplace and you see a version of their analytics product show up there. Just another thing we are looking at in terms of the DeFi and marketplace aspect. So just by more people seeing you see the attraction towards DeFi Kingdom. Like I said, the team is building, man. This AMA dropped yesterday, and a lot of projects go quiet during these bear market times, but not DeFi Kingdoms. They absolutely stepped it up and continue to deliver. So the thing that also caught my eye was pets will be really cool for partnerships. So many games have animals in their game, and we have hinted to the ability to integrate NFTs as pets. As we get closer to the date, I'm excited for our own pets, but also excited for other projects where we might see some cross-platform integration. So pets are going to be a major thing, man. I'm very excited to see the integration on the DFK chain. Like I said, it's so much good information in this Medium article, but I'm not going to take this article is kind of long, so I don't want to take this entire video and make it a 30-minute video just reading this Medium article. But you can see we got the business develop team member updates, and they're just giving you some major key notes and what's going on. So if you want to tap into that, make sure you go to the Medium and tap into that, man. But let me just show you a lot of opportunities that's here in the DeFi Kingdom space. So when we go to gardens, if you don't know about liquidity pools, this is where you can pretty much let your money work for you. And right now, the price is at 73 cents. So you really have the opportunity to really get in and make a good percentage. Because right now we see the Jewel in one is 263% APR. And like I said, with price being 73%, that is very giving me much bottom, man. If it goes lower than that, I'm still going to keep adding to the bag because they continue to produce and build out products. So with this being 263%, this gives you a chance to get in both Jewel and one at the bottom and create a liquidity pool with less risk, just because the price is so low and you don't have as much of a risk to lose due to impermanent loss. Then we see Jewel UST. Now, we already know the UST fiasco. I wouldn't personally recommend it, but I am in it because I'm a digging man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I am a true digging. So I'm currently in the Jewel and UST pool. We see it's 169% currently right now. And a lot of people took their money out of it because I remember when that pool was, a couple of $1 million. Now we see it's under, 500,000. So, that's the risk you kind of take, especially with UST right now. Everything is going crazy with UST. We're not going to talk about that, but yeah, UST, yeah, we're just going to hold off on that for a little second. Then we see Jewel USDC. It's at 123%. Then we got Jewel XYA. That's at 332%. Jewel and Avalanche, that's at 291%. Jewel and Phantom, 288%. Then so on and so forth. It's a lot of opportunities you can get in and make some money, man. Especially, I ain't gonna lie, that Avalanche and Phantom are looking kind of good to me. I might add to their position just because I believe in those layer ones and especially the long term, especially Avalanche. I like Avalanche. I actually moved most of my Avalanche to the Crystal Veil when it drops. So I might open up a new position in that Jewel and Avalanche just because it's at 291%, man. Then, like I said, especially with that Jewel in one, why not? I feel like right now is the perfect time to get in at the bottom and actually, get those rewards for when the game actually drops and just watch your money work for you. So that's just one opportunity, but it's a lot of opportunities in DeFi Kingdoms, especially with things with inventory. With the inventory, like I said, pets are going to be something big. And right now, I'm just really loading up on inventory, but I might end up setting in 4 more Jewel because I got a Jewel goal that I'm trying to accomplish before Jewel gets back to a certain price. So right now, it's so many opportunities that you can take advantage of if you have heroes. If you don't have a hero, let's see what the hero floor price is, man. The hero floor price. So right now, the hero floor price is about 38 Jewel. So you can get in and get you a level 1 Gen 2 for 38 Jewel. And that's like under $38, man. You know what I'm saying? So right now is the perfect time to get in, get your heroes, and you have the opportunity to actually bridge your heroes over too. So like now is the perfect time for people who didn't have a chance to get in the game, at a cheap price and actually be able to level up your heroes and appreciate your heroes. So once the game does get back to, a price that it once was, the DFK dual drops, once we have pets, once we out of this bear market in the crypto space, then I believe we're going to see a good appreciation in Jewel, man. So hold your horses right now. Jewel is a hold for me. I am holding Jewel. I am hodling my Jewel. And I'm just going to wait and see what it does, man. Just wait. And then I might scoop up a couple of heroes in the process. Who knows? Especially when it's below $1, you paying less than, $38 for the cheapest one. That's like, I remember when hero prices were about 300 or the floor price was about like $300, $250. But now it's cheap and nobody wants to buy. But that's how it usually is. But that's okay. I'm probably gonna scoop up a couple more heroes, see what it's looking like, see what heroes that that I feel like I can use, and we're gonna do it like that. So that's my video for today, Crypto Troll. Just wanted to give you an update on Jewel, man. Just letting you guys know that yes, I'm still in Jewel, and yes, I'm holding it, and yes, I believe in the long-term success of DeFi Kingdoms as a project. So, Crypto Troll, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also follow me on Twitter, Troll_crypto. That's my video for today. I'm out of here.